Hi guys, one of my rubber band powered cars. I just thought I'd see if I could convert it to spring power. I'll still put this on my Put a Rubber Band on It channel because it is one of my rubber band powered cars. But I'm going to fit one of these on. You might recognise what it is. Spring door stop. Pack of 6 of them for £1.29, which is what caught my eye. Cheap. And I only want one. I think, yeah, these. And we have a screw in there. You would normally screw that to your wall behind the door. That would go in there. And then your door bumps into that. And what a lot of people like to do with them is flick them. And they make a boing noise. At least they would if they were firmly fitted. What I want to do is tie a bit of string to the top of that. Let's just take that off of there so we can show you the general idea. Screw that on there and then pull it forwards. No, push it back. That's right. Push it back to wind up the string. So wind the string around the back axle there. We'll pull that down like that. And then when we release it, it will spring up again. It will probably be too powerful, but we'll give it a try. What you could do is put a bamboo cane or something up the middle there, drill a little hole in it. That would lengthen it. That would reduce the power by making it longer, but it also give you more movement. So I might do that. I might drill a hole in there, put a bamboo cane in there just to extend it up and give us a bit more movement and a bit less power. First thing I'll do is I'll screw that on there. I'll put a bit of wood underneath so we can screw it into the wood to hold it tight. There we go. So block of wood underneath so we could screw that in place, and then that screws onto there. And then I've put a screw in the top of the plastic cap at the moment. Got a bit of kite string. So tie that on there, see how it goes. So I expect it'll be too powerful and we get wheel spin. The other end of the kite string I'm just winding over itself. That holds it in place. Oh no, we didn't get wheel spin. Whoa, that's actually doing quite well. Oh, I didn't expect that. Oh, in that case, we'll try it just like that. Over the back axle. Round so it goes over itself. That holds it in place. Wind it up. Point it in the right direction. Excellent. We'll see if we can hit the camera with it. There'll be a link in the video description to the original build for this car. We'll just go over it again. The plastic body is Correx, which is like corrugated cardboard, but it's plastic. The axles are bicycle spokes, the wheels are CDs. I've used 3D printed hubs for the CDs, but you can use bottle caps taped to the CDs. And then we've added a door stopper spring to give us the power. So it's no longer a rubber band powered car, but being as it's based on the rubber band powered car, I thought I would keep it in the list on this channel.